Welcome to Picture Healer channel. This is Chien. Today we are going to talk about the 5 emperor coins or 5帝钱 as a Feng Shui cure. The 5 emperors are Shunzhi, Kangxi, Yongzheng, Qianlong, and Jiaqing. They governed the most prosperous time in the Qing dynasty. So the coins from those times symbolize good luck and supposed to bring you good fortune and good money luck. You can also find 6 emperors coins in the market. It's a similar idea but with one more emperor included. There are basically 2 types of the 5 emperor coins, the real one and the fake one, or the imitation one. The real one is very difficult to find because they are like antique and they are more in nature because most of them have been buried in the ground over long time. And as a Feng Shui cure, they are better to be placed in a higher part of the building like a ceiling or hanging high from the door. And most of the coins we find today are the imitation coins or the fake coins. It's much easier to get, it's cheaper, and as a Feng Shui cure, it's better to be placed in the lower part of the building, like on the floor or the doormat or the lower part of the door. The function of the 5 emperor coins: first, it raises the qi of the space or the building. And the second, it can increase the money luck and collect the money qi. And it also acts as a Feng Shui cure to counter any negative qi or the sha qi. There are several sha qi in Feng Shui that requires 5 emperor coins. The first one is a 5 yellow star in the flying star Feng Shui. The 5 yellow star is a negative star according to the annual flying star chart. I will put the link in the description about how to find out your 5 yellow star location. And you can put the 5 emperor coins in that location to reduce the negative qi of the 5 yellow star. The second type of sha qi is when your entrance is facing an elevator or stairs, either stairs going up or going down. The 5 emperor coins can raise the qi and stabilize the qi. It also helps your money luck so you don't lose money easily. And just place the coins around the door, either under the doormat or on top of the door, or just hang the money by the door. The next sha qi is when 2 doors are facing each other directly, either the interior doors or exterior doors. When the 2 doors are facing each other directly, it indicates fighting and argument. If the door is smaller or the household has less people living in it, it indicates less qi and you will typically lose in the fighting. Placing the 5 emperor coins around the door will help you raise the qi and become stronger. The next Feng Shui sha qi is when there is a long hallway or corridor and it creates a very long sharp qi pointing to the last room, like in the picture. If we place the 5 emperor coins around the door of the last room, it will reduce the sha qi and become more balanced. The next sha qi is a reverse ball sha, or we call it Feng Gong sha. It can be a river or traffic in front of the house with a shape that's pointing to the house. It creates a negative qi And the 5 emperor coins can raise the qi of the house to counter the negative feng shui. The next sha qi is when a small building is very closely next to the tall building or a very tall or big wall. And if you put the 5 emperor coins, it raises the qi of the building and it can balance out the pressure of the big building right next to you. And here are some general rules when you apply feng shui cures. You don't have to do it, but it will increase the power of your feng shui cure. The first thing is to select a lucky day according to Chinese lunar calendar or the feng shui calendar, and make sure the day is not conflicting with the owner of the building. And we usually install the feng shui cure in the daytime, especially in the morning when the energy is more yang instead of yin. And the second thing is that you can have a small ceremony. If you have religion, you can follow your religion or just have your personal ceremony by using candle, incense, tea, food, or flower as offering. The third point is that you can state your intention to the universe, just saying your name, address, the basic information, and the intention of your feng shui cure. This type of ceremony can increase the connection between the owner and the feng shui cure, so it will make it more powerful and more official. Not everybody believes this type of ceremony because it sounds like a religion. But I think if you can put in more effort and planning, your feng shui cure can be more powerful. I hope you liked today's video and thank you for watching. See you next week.